Hi and welcome to my official website. I'm Vinny Wolf, creator of The Space Between Your Ears. The best way to describe the show is All in the Family meets Seinfeld in the Twilight Zone. The show consists of some of my favorite people: Celtic witches, Orthodox Jews, steroid freaks and prostitutes. Hey, what did you expect? I live in friggin' Hollywood. You can view episodes of the show on YouTube. Just click on the YouTube icon. Or are you one of those people that will need a friggin' map? Just kidding, my friend. Always remember that I pick on the people I like the most. Have fun and check out my animated video bio, my media section filled with my internet radio special appearances, as well as my edgy new clothing line called FTW. So buy a shirt and join the FTW Nation. Make sure to send me a picture of you wearing it, so I can post it on my Friends of FTW page. Thanks and stop by anytime.